Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Vector Databases. Your AI's super fast memory for meaning, storing and finding information based on what it means. Not just keywords. You want your AI to understand what you mean, not just what words you use. Imagine searching for recipes for a hearty winter meal and only getting results that literally contain hearty, winter, and meal. What about comfort food on a cold evening? Traditional databases struggle with meaning because they're built for exact matches, not for understanding concepts or finding similar ideas. For AI to truly be smart, it needs a memory that grasps context. How can a computer understand meaning? We convert everything, words, sentences, even images or sounds, into a special list of numbers called an embedding. Think of it like giving every piece of information a unique meaning fingerprint or GPS coordinates of meaning in a vast, conceptual space. Information with similar meanings will have fingerprints that are numerically very close to each other, even if they use different words. An embedding is just an array, list, of numbers. For example, a word might become backquote 0.1, 0.5, minus 0.3, backquote. The magic is, an embedding for car and automobile will be very close in these numbers, while banana will be numerically far away. These numbers capture the essence or context of the information, allowing AI to see relationships and similarities beyond simple keyword matches. It's how AI perceives meaning. If all our information is now a bunch of numerical lists, vectors, how do we store and search them efficiently? Regular databases are optimized for finding exact matches, sorting by ID, or filtering structured data. They're not built to quickly answer, "Show me all the pieces of information whose meaning fingerprints are most similar to this new fingerprint." Trying to do this with traditional methods would be incredibly slow and inefficient, especially with millions of fingerprints. This is where vector databases shine. They are specially designed databases that store these numerical meaning fingerprints, vectors, and are incredibly fast at finding other vectors that are closest in meaning. Their superpower is similarity search. They can instantly identify information that is conceptually related, even if the exact words aren't present. For developers, this means you get a powerful new tool to give your AI memory that truly understands context and relevance. 1. Prepare your data. Asterisk you have text, images, etc., e.g., your company's product descriptions or internal documents. 2. Generate embeddings. Asterisk you use an embedding model, a type of AI, to convert each piece of data into its unique numerical vector. 3. Store in DB. Asterisk you store these vectors in your vector database. 4. Query. Asterisk when a user asks a question, e.g., tell me about eco-friendly packaging, you convert their question into an embedding. 5. Similarity search. Asterisk you send this query embedding to the vector database, which quickly finds the most similar stored product descriptions based on meaning. 6. Retrieve and use. Asterisk your AI can then use these retrieved, contextually relevant descriptions to answer the user accurately and intelligently. Vector databases are a game changer for AI development. They allow you to enhance large language models, LLMs. Asterisk give LLMs like ChatGPT specific, up-to-date knowledge, known as RAG, retrieval augmented generation, preventing hallucinations. Semantic search. Asterisk build search engines that understand user intent, not just keywords, leading to more relevant results. Recommendation systems. Asterisk create users who liked this also liked. Features based on true conceptual similarity, not just shared tags. Content moderation and duplicate detection. Asterisk finds similar content, text, images, audio, quickly and efficiently. For developers, this means building more intelligent, context-aware, and responsive AI applications has never been easier and more powerful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.